exposing the secret to weeknight sanity in just one pan. Let's turn hectic evenings into moments of calm, flavor, and nourishment. If you're tired of the dinner rush, the endless pile of dishes, and the struggle to get everyone eating something healthy, you're in the right place. Imagine coming home after a long day, knowing you can whip up a wholesome, high-fiber meal with minimal effort and maximum taste, all on a single sheet pan. Tonight, we're transforming your oven into your new best friend. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a meal that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to keep you and your family energized. No more standing over the stove or juggling multiple pots and pans. Just prep, bake, and enjoy. Let's go! Busy families, I get it. By dinner time, you want fast, tasty, and healthy. You want something that pleases picky eaters, satisfies hungry teens, and gives you peace of mind knowing everyone's getting the nutrition they need. Sheet pan dinners are the answer, and tonight we're focusing on high-fiber options that are as easy as they are satisfying. Here's your shortcut: high-fiber sheet pan dinners. These meals are a game changer for anyone who wants to eat better without spending hours in the kitchen. They're colorful, customizable, and perfect for meal prep or feeding a crowd. Why fiber? It fills you up, keeps your energy steady, and is super good for your gut. Fiber helps with digestion, supports heart health, and can even help manage blood sugar. Plus, high-fiber foods are naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a powerhouse addition to any meal. If you've ever felt sluggish after dinner, adding more fiber could be the solution you've been looking for. So, what's on the menu? We're keeping things simple, but never boring. Each recipe is designed to maximize flavor and nutrition, while minimizing cleanup and stress. First up, roasted chickpeas, broccoli, and sweet potatoes. This combo is a fiber powerhouse, with chickpeas bringing plant-based protein and a satisfying crunch, broccoli adding vitamins and a subtle bite, and sweet potatoes offering natural sweetness and loads of fiber. Just toss everything with olive oil, your favorite spices, think cumin, smoked paprika, or garlic powder, and spread it out on your sheet pan. Roast until golden and crispy, then finish with a quick lemon tahini drizzle for a creamy, tangy kick. This meal is not only satisfying but also totally vegan and gluten-free, making it a crowd pleaser for any dietary needs. Serve it as is, or pile it onto whole grain pitas for a fun twist. Need variety? Sheet pan dinners are endlessly adaptable, so you'll never get bored. Try salmon with asparagus and cherry tomatoes, plus some pre-cooked quinoa for extra fiber. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, asparagus is loaded with vitamins, and cherry tomatoes add a burst of sweetness. Scatter everything on your pan, season with lemon, dill, and a pinch of salt, and let the oven do the work. The quinoa can be added in the last few minutes to warm through, making this a complete, balanced meal. Everything goes on one tray, in the oven, and you're free to relax. Take a moment for yourself, read a book, help with homework, or just enjoy the aroma of dinner roasting away. When the timer dings, dinner is ready and cleanup is a breeze. Or go plant-based. Roast bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and lentils, then sprinkle with feta. Lentils are a fantastic source of fiber and protein, and they soak up all the flavors from the veggies and spices. The feta adds a creamy, salty finish that ties everything together. This dish is perfect for meatless Mondays or anytime you want a lighter, veggie-forward meal. It's colorful, filling, and super simple. Plus, it's a great way to use up whatever veggies you have on hand. Just chop, toss, and roast. Want the full week's plan and a grocery list? I've got you covered. Planning ahead is the key to stress-free weeknights, and with this plan, you'll know exactly what's for dinner every night. No more last-minute scrambles or takeout temptations. Monday, chickpea and sweet potato. Start your week strong with a meal that's hearty, nourishing, and easy to prep ahead. Make extra for lunch the next day. Wednesday, salmon and asparagus. Midweek calls for something fresh and light, but still filling. This meal comes together in under 30 minutes and tastes like something from your favorite restaurant. Friday, veggie and lentil bake. End the week with a burst of color and flavor. This dish is perfect for using up leftover veggies and makes a great base for adding a fried egg or a dollop of Greek yogurt. Shopping lists in the description. I've broken it down by category: produce, pantry, proteins, so you can shop quickly and efficiently. Stock up on staples like canned beans, whole grains, and your favorite spices to make weeknight cooking even easier. Pro tip: roast extra veggies, mix up your proteins, and store leftovers in airtight containers. These meals are perfect for meal prep, and leftovers make a great lunch or quick dinner later in the week. You can even freeze portions for those nights when you really don't want to cook. Get the whole family involved. Let kids help choose veggies or pack up leftovers. It's a great way to teach healthy habits and make mealtime more fun. Which sheet pan dinner will you try first? The possibilities are endless. Swap in your favorite veggies, try different proteins, or experiment with new spices. Sheet pan dinners are all about making healthy eating easy and enjoyable. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more easy, healthy meals. Let me know your favorite sheet pan combos, and don't forget to check the description for the full plan and shopping list. Here's to stress-free, delicious weeknight dinners, one pan at a time.